Since I was sleeping here alone, a little side table over here. This is going to be my office table, and yeah, I'm so excited for this. I cannot sleep with the lights off. And then the next thing that I got, guys, is this. This is my closet. Good morning, guys. How are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. It is a beautiful day here in the countryside, and I am back here. But before we begin our day, please do subscribe to my channel and please click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos like this. And also, please follow me on my Instagram account if you haven't already. I'm very active there, so it's at meljeansolon. Anyway, for the last 2 days, I was actually in the city. That's why we don't have a vlog. I have a lot of stuff to get for the house, like kitchenwares, and I need to get like office table and chairs and lamp and so on. And also, I was helping Vingo to paint her room, and it actually went pretty well. I love the result of the painting that we had. I didn't know we had a good team in painting, but that was really a good experience. Anyway, I'm back here in a province house, guys, and I just woke up. It is 8 a.m. right now. And honestly, I was the only one sleeping here last night. I was all alone. It was crazy because Razzle is in the city and my sister is working tomorrow, so they cannot sleep here, and my dad is not here as well. But anyway, my mom's store is just right over there. If you guys do not know, I'm a scary cat. I get so scared and I'm not used to sleeping alone. Whenever like I'm in my apartment, I always have someone with me, and that's just me being scared. And honestly, I'm gonna lie if I'm gonna tell you that I really sleep good, but actually I did not. That's why I have a really puffy eyes, because my tears just fall when I was about to sleep, and I couldn't sleep at all. I've been like turning and waking up, and yeah, it was not good. But anyway, you know, I think I really need to embrace that I'm gonna be sleeping alone here, because you know, I cannot have people around all the time. But yeah. Okay, so today I'm gonna give you guys a quick haul about the stuff that I got. Like, I got a lot of furniture, like office table, chair, bedside table. I got cabinets as well, and I got a few stuff like kitchenware, and also I got native stuff, which is I like. So this is how the house is looking. It's looking pretty chaotic. Look, because I still don't have organizers and stuff, and this area still is not usable because we don't have cabinet. I need to put cabinet in there, but since it's not part of the house budget, I need to hire the builder as well to make a cabinet, but I need to pay him extra for this. I'm gonna have breakfast. Saika is here. Good morning. Hello. She was very early here. I don't know how did she notice that I'm here in the house. She was sweeping the floor, so thank you. I have here some food, guys. My mom gave this to me. Lechon from last night, actually. We are here outside because I'm gonna try to show you the current situation for my garden. My dad planted some plants in the front. So look, ta-da! This is how it's looking right now. So those over there is called San Francisco. And then we have here some tires, right? The 3 tires that I got, 2, 3. The prayer plant is here. I just got the pot today, so I'm gonna repot it. And then this one, he got like 10 of these. I'm not quite sure what is this plant called. He forgot as well, but it actually looks good because it's pink. We are going to just put it around the tire. And by the way, we have some update for the terrace. The builder has finished putting in the metal flooring, so the next thing he has to do is to put the ceiling on. Finally, the rice has been cooked, and now we're going to eat. I have here some rice, and this is a paksiw, lechon paksiw. Normally in the city, right, what we eat for breakfast is like just bread and peanut butter. But because I don't have those yet, I didn't have any groceries yet here in this house, so I need to get some groceries. My first ever grocery shopping. This chicken is called Senor Pedro. This is the best chicken in Cebu City. My father is, by the way, eating with me as well. The roosters are so loud. Alright guys, so I just finished with breakfast and right now I'm gonna show you guys another quick haul of what are the stuff that I got from the city. I'm gonna start with the stuff I got from Metro. Let's start with this LED desk lamp. Actually, I already used this last night. Since I was sleeping here alone, I cannot sleep with the lights off. So I already used this and it worked pretty well. It's like a 180-degree rotation. It looks like this. You can use this by plugging it in, using a battery as well. The cool thing about this is that you can actually just touch this little power button over here. But you just have to tap it like this, and it's got, I think, like 3 options. You want it very bright, a medium bright. Cost 499 pesos. Got this refrigerator dust cover. It looks like that. It is pretty neat and cute. It cost me 149 pesos. So I need to get rags in this house because there's a lot of kids coming in here, and the tiles that I got is white, so you can clearly see if it's dirty or not. So I need to get these. It's so pretty. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. I love it. And this rag costs 199 peso. I got 3 of these, and this will be put in the front door to the room and then the back door as well. And this is like a water sprayer, 59 peso. I needed to get curtains. A lot of you guys also were telling me that I need to put more curtains in these windows because 1 curtain per window is not looking good. Added 3 curtains. It's exactly the same color and all. And this is 599 peso. I also got here a door pull. Well, I got 3. I need to put this in the door, guys, because as you guys can see, the door doesn't have any handle. It's so hard for me to lock it. Cost 59 pesos. I got this barrel bolt. This is going to be like a lock inside for extra security. Cost 67 pesos. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the stuff that I got from Carbon. Look at this, guys. It is so pretty. This is a tissue box and I got this for 100 peso. The next one that I got is this. At first, I initially thought that this is like a flower vase, a native one, but Bingo was telling me this is for the bingo. I'm gonna be using this as a flower vase. I got this for only 40 pesos. It's like a little basket. This cost me, I think, 130 pesos. This is like a organizer-ish or like a dish tray. It looks so good. I got this for 70 pesos. This pot, 25 peso each. And then I also went to Unitop. If you guys are from Cebu, you guys know Unitop is like the cheapest small toilet brush. Got this healer. This costs 29 peso. By the way, this one is 35 peso. This is 15 peso. It's like a sponge. This is a water dipper, 25 peso, guys. Microwavable food container, 45 peso. I got this basin. This is for 79 pesos. I also got a Christmas tree because, guys, it's only a few days until Christmas, and I'm going to make a separate video about making my Christmas tree. I am so excited for that because honestly, this is going to be my first Christmas tree ever. Now, I got these Christmas balls. I got this decor that says Merry Christmas with Santa Claus on. That's pretty much it, guys, for the stuff that I got from the city. And also, I got some furnitures, which my mom, hail to my mom, thank you so much for carrying all of this stuff. This is the furniture that I got. Look how pretty that is. To be honest, I'm so grateful to my brother-in-law because he was the one trying to assemble this, and it took him about 2 hours to figure out everything because it was quite tricky. There's a lot of screws. That's how it's looking right now. Here, it's got a little thing where I can put my laptop on. It's got a drawer over here. Cost me 2,500 peso or about 50 US. This is like a Nordic chair, I think, and this cost me 1,000 peso or 20 US dollars. This is going to be my office table, and yeah, I'm so excited for this. And then the next thing that I got, guys, is this. This is my closet. This is what my mom was carrying from the city to here in the country. This one cost 3,899 peso, and I got this in Metro as well. A little side table over here, and this cost me 599 pesos. I got this from Unitop. I am chilling at the moment. I was trying to arrange everything looking here. As you guys can see on the background, that's how the curtain now is looking, that I put 2 curtains in 1 window. And yeah, it actually looks pretty nice. I loved how it turned out. This is my dining table. If you guys can remember, I had it like this, but one of you guys commented that I should put it like this, and it actually works well. It gives me a lot of space in this area. Closer look of the curtain. I love that. And here is my fridge. So I put this little thing. It's like a dust cover, and then I can also put something over here, like, I don't know, whatever. I just finished taking a shower, and I was just so busy trying to arrange everything up because my room is still a total mess. I have a lot of shoes to sort out, some clothes to sort out as well. My father is currently washing the dishes, as you guys can hear. But anyway, Saika over here. Say hi. Hi! She got me a budbud. This is called budbud, but this is like a dessert here in the Philippines. It is actually very hot. There you go. That's how it's looking. So she said her grandma is doing something like this. And I love budbud, you know. Actually, during the house blessing, we have something like this as well. This is made of cassava. And, whew, it's hot. Lame? Yes. Lame in Bisaya is delicious in English. So I'm gonna try to taste it. Mmm.
It's good.
It's good?
Yes.
It's delicious?
It's good.
It's good. Yeah. The good thing about here in the country, if whoever in your neighbor is like doing something, a dessert or like any food, then they're gonna give you
Good.
Good and delicious.
This is how my room is looking currently, guys. It is very messy. I was trying to sort out things up. By the way, like my shoes are there, and this luggage, I still has to open it. This is my favorite bag. Look at that. And then look at the mess. Shocks. By the way, we have this award. This is from last year, Vlogger of the Year by Mega Roll. Thank you so much. At Meljeansolon. There you go. And those, I showed it to you guys earlier. So that's my office table is looking. I need to sort these out now. Crazy. So much. It is around 3 p.m. now, guys, and the kids has left because they were so loud here, and I was so busy trying to sort out everything in my room, like my clothes and my shoes and all this stuff. It was actually a bit tiring, you know, like sorting things out. The weather today is kind of crazy. It was like raining, and then it stopped, and then it gets sunny, and then it rains again. I don't know what's going on. I hope that there's no another typhoon coming in the Philippines, because Christmas is coming, you know. Always, if you have kids in the house, my gosh, it is very dirty. Like, they're so all over the place. If they're eating like a biscuit or something, the crumbs like goes into the floor. So yeah. Alright guys, it is 4 p.m. now, and I am here in the back door, just sitting down, looking at the greenery. I'm just waiting for my sister and Scarlett to arrive. My sister is getting me some groceries because yesterday I was not able to get some groceries because we were so busy trying to get the furniture here, and yeah, I forgot. Well, grocery is the most important thing because I had to eat, and last night I was feeling hungry and I don't have anything. I only have rice. So yeah. Scarlett! Wala babot. Ali! Please, tita. Ali. Alright guys, it is evening time. I just finished my dinner. I had vegetable soup, noodle soup, and of course my favorite dried fish with the rice, and I'm so full right now. Anyway, I'm so ready to edit this vlog and upload this for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos like this. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!